Donald Trump is a criminal who went to abduct the president of Venezuela because he wanted to steal the oil of Venezuela. Today, children and women are being killed in Palestine. Today, he started a war in Iran, and Iran is shashering him. He doesn't know how to get out of that war. He started without a plan. We are with Iran. We are Iran. We stand with Iran. We don't stand with imperialism. We don't stand with America. We stand with the oppressed. We say to the people of Cuba, hang in there. America made you suffer for 67 years. You won't surrender now. Don't succumb to imperialism. Stand up to imperialism. Fidel Castro told us to stand up to America and not be afraid of America. Comrades, this continent shall be one. And when it becomes one, it shall become a powerhouse in the international politics, because they are leading us, because we are divided. Once we unite and we become one, America will be defeated. We say to Iran, don't stop until America pays your reparations into your account. Hit and hit hard. Make sure you destroy these evil forces that have cost us life in the history of humanity.